Hey Chris, it's March 11th. So, I want to start out by saying I'm sorry I missed your call the first time, and then I called you back, and then you called me back, and then we kind of talked for a little bit, and then the dentist was like, you need to come now. And I didn't really want to be rude or anything. Actually, the dentist didn't say that. She was a sweet little Asian lady. So, that didn't happen. Anyways, so I don't really know why you called. I called you back, and you didn't answer. So you're probably the worst person in the world right now. So, yeah, suck on that. And you teleport! So, I kind of want to talk about what you said in the last video, and how you said that you don't want people to dumb things down for you. And then at first, I was like, no, I totally disagree with that, because if something isn't dumbed down, then you won't understand. Like, I can start talking to Maddie, and just start talking about quantum physics, and, I mean, she might not understand unless I say it in lamest terms. So maybe I don't understand the example that you're thinking of, but then I totally understand the thought of not including something in the book, but then I thought about, Algebra 1 obviously doesn't have Algebra 2 in it, or Algebra 1 obviously doesn't have pre-calc in it, so maybe I'm not understanding exactly what you're saying, because I wouldn't want Algebra 2 and Algebra 1, because I definitely would not understand it, because math is all a stepping stone. So maybe it's a little bit different, and physics, and I mean in college, I definitely think you should have all the material, but I mean with from what I understand is you told me it was a TV show, you can't put too hard of stuff in there, or people aren't. The thing is, not everybody's going to get it, and that's kind of how like video games are being. Instead of knowledge, it's being skill level. Every video game now is super easy, so everyone can play it, which means everybody buys it. So, it's not just the hardcore gamers that buy it, because it's not just the hardcore gamers that can win it. I mean, look at Fable, for example. The first one, you had all these different buttons. I mean, you had X, Y, B, A, whatever. And the second one, they dumbed it down to like one button. And I think it's terrible. But the thing is, more people can play it, so they get more money. Same with your TV show. More people can watch it because it's dumbed down, and now they'll probably get more money off the advertisements and such. So that's kind of the world we live in, is dumbing things down, and I feel like there's a time and place for dumbing things down. I wouldn't really necessarily call it dumbing things down, more of explaining more thoroughly and putting things in the right place. So I don't really know if anything I just said made sense. I didn't really think about what I was going to say. It just kind of happened. So I kind of changed my idea halfway through. So hopefully you can decipher that and take with what I'm saying with a grain of salt, and let me know what you think, and maybe give me more examples of what how the TV show was dumbing things down. But I will see you tomorrow, March 12th. Okay, bye.